Hello everyone, myself Umesh Shelar. I'm electrical engineer. I have enrolled a master data science program under Alma Middle. So this is the part of project 3 where I am going to present a project based on the MySQL language. So this is the one of case study on the indiamart website. As you know, indiamart is a popular website where you can buy or sell products. So today we are going to define or design a MySQL data model. So inside this, we will look each features of the IndiaMart, and we will design a data model, MySQL data model with their features. So in this presentation, we will look the introduction, overview of the company, case study, key features, schema, and the conclusion. Okay. So this is the one type, as I have explained, this is the one type of MySQL project where we are going to study how to define or design a schema. Okay, so in this presentation, we have taken IndiaMart as our problem statement, and we are going to define the schema. Okay, so what is the problem statement? Okay, so before IndiaMart, there is a very less opportunity for the buyers and the sellers to buy or sell the products. Okay, as in the India, most of the small scale businesses or medium scale businesses are facing a bigger problem to sell or buy the products, which is the low priced, high quality, and different technical aspects. Okay, so this is a popular B2B marketplace where a IndiaMart built a channel between small scale and medium scale businesses and the customer for selling and buying product and different services through online platform. The founder of IndiaMart is the Dinesh Agrawal. He's opened this company in 1996. Now this is a very big company. This company has 194 millions of buyers, 7.9 millions of supplier, and 109 millions of product and services. So this is the one type of success business. Okay. So in this case study, we will look different problems and its solution provided by the India. Okay, so international marketplace. As I have explained, in India, there are a manufacturing hub, but lots of companies are facing a marketplace, okay, where they want to buy or sell their products. Okay, so international market and experts. Before India marts, there are very less opportunity to sell the product. IndiaMart came in the picture and they have designed a schema, design online platform for the manufacturer in the India, which is small scale and medium scales, also large scale and some of individual customers. Okay, so they have a good chance to sell their product in the international global market through the IndiaMart platform. Experts are confused to choose the appropriate product. Okay, so in lots of time in the manufacturing experts, okay, want a good quality of product with the technical specifications. In the technical word, in the manufacturing word, the technical requirement are most important and key features while selecting a product. So expert required this knowledge. So in India, what experts are getting this knowledge easily. Okay, they are getting the technical sheets. Based on that technical sheet, they are going to take good decision. Third problem is that technical specification. So IndiaMart provide a technical specification of each product. Okay, with their manual, with their technical dimensions, dimension, their weight, there are different protections and all. So this help both experts to choose the product. price selections. Price is a crucial and most important key factor for everyone. So industrial required these key factors to select the best price of product. Okay, so there are different company are going to sell their product, but there might have a different price. Okay, so based on that price, customer or companies yeah, are getting a choice to get different price products. So there are some problems before the India Mart, which is the company need to explore more in the marketing field. But after India Mart, they are getting a chance to explore their product branding easily. So most of the technical people buying the product on this online platform. So the manufacturing company are getting a chance to brand their product online. Okay, with the help of India Mart. So these are some key features, key problems, and how the India Mart taken the overcome on these features. Okay, key features. Okay. So in this data set, whatever we have defined, the India Mart has taken some features. Okay, to define to design a schema. Okay, so schema is a one form of data model. So for that data model required different types of table. Okay, so here the India Mart define I have defined a seller profile, buyer's profile, verify competitors, advanced product selection, quality product selection, and explore similar products. Okay, so these are some key features. Okay, so based on that, we are going to define data model. So sales profile, as you know, in sales profile, we require sales ID, seller ID, manufacturing details. Okay, who is manufacturer of that particular product, product ID that required to track the individual seller, product code. Okay, and the product price. So these 4 to 5 fields, okay, are required for the seller profile. Second table we are going to design, which is buyer. Buyer required their email ID, their phone number, and buyer's ID. Okay, to get a unique ID should be assigned for the buyers. Okay, then third one is the verify competitors. As you know, so there are different kinds of competitors. Okay, so you can get same product with different kind of features, different kind of prices. Okay, so here we require a product. So in product, we are required product ID, product code, product information, product technical specification like that. Okay, so here we are going to define a third table, which is product. Fourth table, we are going to define a technical specification inside the table. So technical specification, which require technical unique ID, product code, technical that data sheet, their weight, their dimension. Okay. Fifth table we are going to define, which is fifth table we are going to define, which is the feedback. Feedback again, most important things for the buyers or end user. Okay, while select the product. So feedback will help to buy or not that product based on the experiment of another users. Okay. So in feedback, we required feedback ID, their product ID, and the information. Okay. And finally, we are required invoice table. In invoice table, we required buyer ID, seller ID, product ID, quantity of purchase, and the total price. So these are some entities and their arguments required. Okay, for the for the data model. Okay, so this is the data model I have designed. As discussed, we have invoice entity, which is the fact, actual fact, and these are some dimensions. Okay, so buyer's entity, feedback entity, product entity, technical entity, and sales entity. In sales entity, the seller ID, seller entity, we require seller ID, email, contact information, product ID, product name, and product category. Here I have also defined the data type. Okay, the contact should be in integer, product ID should be integer or varchar is depend on your selection. Again, technical entity we require the product ID, then their technical specification like dimension and weight. Okay, in product entity we require product ID, product code, product name, product weight, and so on. Okay, and feedback entity, which is again help for the future users. Okay, future in this feedback entity we require feedback ID who are going to buyer ID who are going to uh, give the feedback, a detail of the problem and which of the problem. Okay, based on the product ID we can try it. Okay, and buyer entity. So again, we require some things from the buyer, which is buyer ID, email ID, and contact to get the contacts. Okay. Here I have defined a schema where I have connected this product ID feedback entity to the product entity. Okay, so this is the uh, one type of schema. Okay, so again, I have connected product ID from this to this. Again, product ID from this to this. Again, seller ID from this to this. And again, product ID from this to this. So it will take the technical specifications and buyer's ID from I have connected from this model, this table to this. So buyer's ID also connected to the main fact table. And this is the complete schema I have designed, okay, for the indiamart table. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to present myself.